welcome back to Task Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating drinking the app that calculates how much water you drink in a day. As you can see here, we have 250 liters right here. So here 1000 liters, and if you click each of this, it will reduce and will fill up this 2-liter container. We'll see how it works. Click, and 12.5% is done. Then we have this filter mark. Second, third, fourth, and 1 liter remain. Almost, and done. So either we can click it double click and we can reduce it, and if you do it all together, you can do it all together. If you don't need to go one by one, you can just click the first one and all will erase. Okay, so you can get the source code of this project, link will be in the description. So let's get started. It's going to be a simple project, guys, so it's not going to contain much HTML and CSS, but a bit of JavaScript. First you're going to have exclamation tag, body. It's going to have 8 divs. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So link CSS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have one more, and we need one more because this is going to be the final goal. Okay, and we are going to link our JavaScript. So source JavaScript is going to be script, and this is it for the HTML. Let's get started with the CSS. So first of all, I'm going to create a margin enter. I'm going to have a margin of 0, padding of 0, border of 0. And we're going to enter. I'm going to create div. Before the div, I'm going to go to body. It's going to contain background as blue, not dark blue. We'll do it the blue that I have chosen. Yeah, right here. And now I'm going to make the div enter, and 100% pixels width, 100 pixels height, and background color of RGB, position of absolute, and top of 50% and left of 50%, and transform translate 50 minus 50 minus 50, and that's it here. So I'm going to copy the code and I'm going to paste it 8 times. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we have 9. So we are going to just give numbers. This is 1, this is 2, dot 2, dot 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last is 8, and we're going to give them selectors, enter, and done. Okay, so this is it for the CSS. Let's get started with the JavaScript, guys. So JavaScript is not going to be much, guys. It will contain a small introduction to variables. You're going to confirm. Okay, I would have consist equal document query selector consist and copy this 8 times. Yeah, done. We're going to give 250, and I'm just going to delete them. 250 ml, 250 ml means milliliters, and just copy this 4 times. Done. So we have total, we have it. Okay, now we are going to create console.log close it, enter, consist, and we're going to have here one of them, and we're going to have here goal reached, and we're going to enter. We're going to have confirm goal reached. That's all. Goal reached is going to be 8, and last we are going to have reflect equal refresh going to be 1 to 8. Okay, guys, so this is it for the JavaScript. Let's go to HTML. We have completed HTML, and we have completed CSS and JavaScript. So that means this is the end of the project. Let's see the final outcome of it. Okay, guys, right click, show preview, open the browser. As you can see, nice, it looks the way we need. And first it displays these 2 liters remain, and select how many glasses of water that we have drank. So we can click one, and it fills. Now if I reduce it, just like that, it's reduced because of our JavaScript function. When we go here, that means this was added. So if I go here, it's added. If I have to minus it, I just click that and click this, double click to reset. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next.